Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Life Science. So I'm hoping that you all are doing well. So let's start today's discussion about the Punnett square. We sometimes get confused about it, but it is very easy. We will see some tricks and it will become very easy. So let's take a small preview about what I will discuss today. So these are the slides. You can see this is a very short video and it will give you many benefits you can see after the video. So now what is FOIL method, about which the Punnett square is based on today's topic. So this is the FOIL method. It is very easy method. So F means first, O means outside, I means inside, L means last. So what is the need of this? Let's see. If the genotype is given like capital P small p and capital G small g, then what are the gametes that we will get? So let's see what the F means. First, you multiply the first letter of each trait with each other. So first letter of each trait, capital P and capital G. So we got the gamete capital P, capital G. Now outside. So multiply the outsides, capital P, small g. So we get the gamete capital P, small g. Now inside one. So small p and capital G. We got the gamete small p and capital G. Now the last one of each trait. So the last one in capital P is small p and capital G is small g. So the gamete is small p small g. Like that here also this is another example. So here we are crossing A with B, that is first letter of each trait. Now then FO, so outside. Now capital A and small b. Now I means inside, small a and capital B. Now last small a and small b. The last trait, the last letter of each trait. Okay. So we got the gamete capital A, capital B, capital A, small b, small a, capital B, and small a, small b. Now let's see if they have told you to cross between capital R small r, capital Y small y, and capital R small r, capital Y small y, then what are the gametes that we'll get? So use the FOIL method. First capital R, capital Y, then outside capital R small y, then inside, then last. So we got these gametes. Same goes with this also. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and small y. So these are the gametes that we got. So let's the Punnett square. So we got these gametes and now we have to do the Punnett square. So we have to write the gametes in this direction and in this direction. So we have written. Now we have to cross between these two. So we are crossing capital R and capital Y, capital Y. After multiplication we have to write it here. Then we have to again multiply this, and after multiplication we have to write it here. Again we have to write it here. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Then again capital R, capital Y, small y. Like this the square goes on. We have to write it here, and then again crossing between these, and we have to write it here. Like this whole the process goes on, and we get the ratio 9:3:3:1. So now if they have asked you to cross between capital Y and capital R and small y, small r, then we have to first get that F1 generation. So we know the gametes that we will get from here. capital Y smaller because there is no other options. Every time we self fertilize it, we will get these gametes only. And from the small y smaller also we will get small y smaller because there is no other option. It is homozygous genotype. So we got in F1 capital Y capital R smaller. So now for getting the F2 we have to self fertilize it. So we should know the gametes. So we will get the gametes through FOIL method. So fast means capital Y capital R, then outside, so small y and small r, then inside, then last. So we got our gametes: y capital R capital Y small y capital R, and small y small r. Then we have to self fertilize it. We have to cross it again, cross it and write it here. Then after multiplication write it here, after multiplication write it here, and after multiplication write it here. Like this the Punnett square goes on. Write it here. So next, another example we'll see. Now see, this is capital B and capital H means it will be black horned, and these small b and small h white and hornless. So first we'll get the F1 generation. F1 generation we got this. Now through FOIL method we will get the gametes and then we will do the Punnett square. So FOIL method, what FOIL method says? Fast, then outside, then inside, then last. So it's very easy. So we got the gametes: capital B capital H capital B small b capital H, and small h. So we will do the Punnett square again, multiply it, write it here, multiply it and write it here. Like this the process goes on, and we got the ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So these all are in the today's video, and please subscribe to my channel if it is giving you a little help, and like, share, and you can comment in the comment box if you have any queries. Thank you.